Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about the implementation of Scrum in the development of the Obesifix app, a digital solution designed to promote a healthier habit of fighting obesity in Indonesia. Okay, we'll start for I will start for the context. Okay, the context. The first is increase it in smartphone using in Indonesia. In recent years, 89% of the Indonesian population, equivalent to about 167 million people using a smartphone. This has created an ideal environment for developing a mobile application that improves a user daily lives. Okay, the other problem. 29.8% of the population is obese. Okay, despite technology growth, Indonesia face a public health crisis. Nearly one third of its population suffered from obesity. This situation is worsened by unhealthy lifestyle and poor eating habits. And finally, said need liberate mobile technology to create digital health solution that help improve eating habits and overall well-being. Okay, continue from the Scrum framework applicant. This to develop the app efficient, the team uses the Scrum methodology, which focus on collaboration, ability, adaptability, and continue valid deliverability. The library. Okay. The there were three main roles in this process. The first one is the product owner defines the objective and priorities of the application according to users' needs. The second is the Scrum Master lists the team families, communication and resolve obstacles. And finally, development teams develop features, design the interface and test improvement. Okay, we'll continue for the phase of the Scrum proceed. The first one, develop follower the main Scrum phrase. The the product backlog is this one. Compilation of requiring such as registration, login, calories, calculation, food scanner, and use profile. The other is sprint planning, planning each sprint where state to select which features will be development. The others is daily scrum, short daily maintenance to share proceed and identify problems. Okay, and the final. Sorry, the other. Sprint review of the complement features and collection of user feedback, and in this case final. Sprint retrospective reflection on what was learning in the previous sprint to remove the next one. Okay, this approach allowed for constant evolution of the project and repeat response to the change or suggestion received. Okay, who is the result? The result is for result. Three successful sprint. These three development cycle were complete on such delay. 100% of tasks complete. The team meet all the objects for each sprint. The other error reduction to number of inserted detect discrete decreased, sorry, from 5 in the first sprint to just 3 in the last. in the last one, reflecting continuous improvement. And the final, high user satisfaction. User highlighted the use of registration, the accuracy of dietary recommendation of the clarity of the apps decided. In addition, the team maintained fluent communication and effective task managed throughout the entire process. Okay, who is the conclusion? We have three. Scrum enable agile collaboration and user-centered development. Thanks to the interactive structure of the framework, the project could easily adapt to change requirements and user feedback. The second one, ideal for digital headed projects and applications with development needs. This case showed that Scrum not only improves work organization but also foster technology innovation with social impact. And the final, in summary, implementing Scrum in the development of Obesifix made it possible to build a functional, flexible, and effective application to combat obesity through technology. Thank you.